Looking for a power cord that doesn't just work, but works well? The Tripp Lite 3'18" Aruban Florins standard computer power cord, C13 to C14, offers exactly that. Whether you need to extend your PC's power connection or hook up a peripheral device with a C14 input, this cable delivers solid performance every time. It's designed to connect directly to compatible UPS systems, PDUs, surge protectors, or AC outlets, giving you flexible, hassle-free power options. When it comes to power cords, quality matters, and this is where the P004003 stands out. Unlike bargain alternatives, it's crafted from superior materials and rigorously tested to meet all standard 817 for safety and reliability. The connectors are built tough to ensure a long service life, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. Plus, Tripp Lite backs this cord with a lifetime warranty, proving their confidence in its durability and craftsmanship. It's also designed with environmental care in mind, meeting strict RoHS standards to minimize hazardous materials. If you've ever struggled with unreliable cables or weak connections, this power cord is worth a look. It extends your device's power reach by 3 feet without compromising on safety or performance. Many users appreciate its solid build quality, even if it's priced a bit higher than some alternatives. That extra investment means you get a dependable cable that won't let you down when it counts. If that's you, someone who values reliability and peace of mind, this Tripp Lite power cord fits the bill perfectly. Ready to upgrade your power connections? The Tripp Lite 3'18" Aruban Florins power cord offers what you need: dependable quality, certified safety, and a lifetime warranty. Whether you're setting up a home office, a server rack, or just want a better cable for your PC, this cord delivers. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference that well-built power makes.